Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Lola, also known as the Magic Wig Maker. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Today is a very special transformation makeover because I am going to be giving my sister Jean a new look. So Jean has had issues in the past with her hair thinning a little, and I had talked with her and told her that it was probably because she had been getting relaxers and color, and that can really stress your hair. But finally, about 5 months ago, she became determined that she was going to grow out of that hair color. And so her transformation today is going to be with this really cute hair unit that I made for her. And I'm so excited. I can't wait for her and her best friend Minnie. And you saw Minnie in the last video where she actually loved her gray. So we are going to hopefully have Jean love her gray as much. They should be here shortly. Don't go away. Come on in, sis. Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing? Come on in.
All right.
Where's Minnie?
She's right behind me.
Oh, okay. We'll wait for her to get here so we can get started. I am so excited, sis. Are you ready for your transformation?
I cannot have a change of heart.
Jean! Jean, you colored your hair!
Yes.
Oh, Jean!
Yeah.
Oh, Jean!
I can't do it.
Oh, Jean! Oh, my goodness. What made you change your mind? You had done so well.
That gray is not for me.
Okay. Okay. Well, you know, I want you to be happy. Gray is not for everybody.
No.
You know, I don't want you to do it for me, and I certainly don't want you to do it just for a video, because I'm going to give you what you like, because I love you, and I want you to feel your best when you're going out and when you're about. So, let's see. I had made this little cute gray unit for you.
Okay.
But no way, right? Okay. Let me go take a look at what I have, and please don't feel bad about growing out of your gray.
Thank you.
When you're ready, we'll know it. So it's okay. All right.
Okay.
I'll be right back, and we're going to get started on my sister's transformation, because whatever color hair that she wants, she's going to look fantastic because I'm doing it for her.
I like that.
Okay.
I tried.
I look good in my gray. For a long time, I thought, oh, I can't deal with this gray. I'm not ready for gray. But now, oh my, I'm the bum.
You're a mess, girl. Well, listen, sis. This is a unit that I had made a while ago, and I think that's cute. I can definitely transform that into a nice look for you. Will you think that'll work for you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, sis. While I'm putting the clips on, I can cook or something. You want maybe a sausage, an egg on toast or something?
Give me a sausage and a piece of toast.
Okay, what about you, Jean?
What kind of sauce?
I've got red and I've got country sausage.
Country sausage and a toast.
Okay, what about you, red or country?
I'm gonna go with red because I had pork yesterday.
beautiful Jean. Oh my girl, look at my girl looking good. What do you think, Manny?
Yeah.
Girl, you are a mess. I've said 100 times. You're fine.
I said you like my hair.
You look like a little colored dog, man.
Oh my goodness, man, he's a little colored dog, baby. You don't look like you're going to be in 70 years old, I tell you that.
Knocking at my door.
I know. Knocking on my door, too.
It's so pretty
Jean,
and full.
Oh my. What do you think about your look?
It's beautiful.
Oh, and the gray wouldn't have been any more beautiful than this, and you are comfortable with this hair like this.
Yes.
Everybody, what do you think about my beloved sister's new look? I cannot wait to hear your comments. She chose black hair because it makes her feel more comfortable, and I think that this makeover came out fantastic.
Gorgeous.
It's a lightweight style that is easy for her to take on and off and for her to be comfortable with. I
Thank
love
you.
you, my dear.
Love you too.
I'm trying to tearing up a little bit. Thank you for tuning in for my sister's beautiful transformation makeover. And hey, you don't always have to have gray hair if you're not ready for gray hair. If you like your black hair, continue to wear it, but wear it beautifully. I will be back real soon with a transformation for myself. I'm gonna need it. Take care, everybody. We'll see you again next time. Say bye, Jean.
Bye-bye.
Say bye, Minnie, back
bye.
there.